It's my first visit to the Lincolnshire Aviation Heritage Centre this year. It's the 5th of January 2023, so Happy New Year to all. A quick recap over what's been going on here over the last 6 years. First, Lancaster Just Jane will be restored to airworthy condition. When restored, it will fly and operate from here at East Kirkby. The runway will be about 6,400 foot long and will comply to the CAA regulation. EK was an old World War II RAF bomber command station operating Lancaster bombers, home to 57 and 630 Squadron. The 10-year plan. Last November 2022 started the 6th year out of a 10-year plan to restore her to airworthiness. I spoke to Andrew, the managing director over the restoration, in June of last year on how the plan was going. He thought they'd lost about 1 year due to COVID. They came up with a plan on how to keep Just Jane taxiing as long as possible. Taxiing brings a large revenue to help with the restoration. The restoration costs at the moment are about £4 million plus. They will borrow parts from other Lancasters, restore them to taxiing conditions, fit them to Just Jane. This will allow them to carry on taxiing while restoring the parts of Just Jane, then swapping them back. Returning the Lancaster parts to their owners, the centre will bear the cost of the restoration. This way they can help avoid pitfalls when working on Just Jane parts. Also give them a good chance to construct and get their jigs right. There is next to no written information or photos of the jig size or construction. Two of the parts are KB976 rear fuselage, which came from Yorkshire Air Museum in Doncaster. This is now ready to fit to Just Jane. I often refer to this as the Doncaster fuselage. Also, they've been working on a wing of Lancaster NX611, which came from France. The French are restoring this Lancaster to a static condition. More parts, I believe, will be coming from France. Parts already restored are 2 wingtips, 2 fins, 2 rudders, 1 aileron, 1 elevator, and the rear fuselage turret support. Engineers working on the Lancaster restoration. Gerb's been working on restoring the pneumatics and the hydraulics. Brad, Sticky and Martin on the engines. Spen Taffy working on the electrics. A complete rewiring is required here. John, Les, Keith, Dennis, Phil, Dave and Norman working on the airframes. Plus Jacob the apprentice and volunteers working on all parts of the aircraft. I'll go into the hangar now and check out what's been going on. This is the Doncaster fuselage KB976. Norman has completed the fitting of the non-slip floor covering and is ready now to fit to Just Jane. This is the second bomb trolley fitted out for carrying the rear fuselage. Keith's working on the skins that fit the underside of the leading edge with the excess panel. This is for the leading edge of the wing NX611, the French wing. The 2 horizontal C-sections have been removed from the front of the jig. The two cross members to be removed from the tailplane section.
That's out then.
That one just keeps dropping because...
I'll tell you what we need to do. We need to take that angle off the other side. That one.
The thing is, once it's inside... Right, that'll stay in that bracket now, that's alright. Once you get so far, you have to put this out of the way. Alright. You're not going to get all the weight, okay?
Not the fingers.
You're going down on the floor with it?
Yeah.
Okay. You've done the angle to go down on.
Just pop it down with the line. You can always be sleeping. That's not bad. No, absolutely. That was out. What's stopping it all?
This fuselage is now suspended by two cranes.
If you go underneath the ice cream cup with
They have a problem with the steering. It's very stiff and can only be steered when pulled by a tractor.
You get it lined up, it won't move that way. No, get the rope around it. So we'll have to lift the tow bar down just so I'll drag it as well. You've got the end there, mate. That's it. And back on the pin. Watch your back. Yeah, push it forward a bit to clear that loose. So we want to stand at the back and we'll see how far you start across.
legs off.
Ready? Yeah. How are we looking now? To bring the back end this way a little bit. Looking. Not too far, but that's it. Which one does it go in? Right. Third one back.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going, a little bit more. There, that's good.
Might stop Jacob. Might hold you to that.
Go forward now.
You want to go forward, yeah, you need to go that way now. You can look on back. Oh, down a bit more. Got it.
You'll bring the pressure to meet it.
We'll leave it there, yeah, good. Let's do the press up now. I'm just about in the middle here. That's the way I'm, isn't it? Yeah. That's the way I'm sitting in the middle.
Next week we'll see the Doncaster rear fuselage offered up to Just Jane.